And I still didn't think I could do it. But I went back, I found your podcasts and listened to what you had to say. And I thought, I have nothing to lose at this point. Let me just give it a shot and see what happens. And I wanted to give myself the best opportunity possible. So I went all in right from the beginning. I created my Trailhead account on January 3rd of 2024. I completed the 5-day challenge that you have in one day and joined Talent Stacker all on January 3rd. I did everything. Again, I still didn't know what Salesforce was. And within 2.5 weeks, I had my first certification. I was a ranger after 3 weeks. I was in my first 6 months. I think I got 7 certifications. I did the Talent Stacker Experience project. I just went all in and took all of your advice. You have great advice about LinkedIn and all that. But yeah, that's kind of how it started and how I kind of dipped my toe in, but then ended up diving in at the same time.